This, huh?
The snow is lodged in it.
It's lodged in it?
Yeah.
Okay. Does it look like snow coming down again? I thought it was over with.
The snow's coming out now.
Okay. Hold on, baby. You got it?
Mm-hmm.
Can you push it?
This one's like this.
Okay, hold on. Watch out. Pull it in. Pull it up. Hold on, Lamb. Watch out. Oh my God, look there. So, here you are. Stand. Remember we have that like dip right here to go to the driveway. So stand right here, my mama.
Mm-hmm.
And go ahead. You want to walk before me, or you want me to go?
No,
Want me to go?
Before you. I'm the leader.
You're the leader. How far down you going in? And you just. So this is New Orleans after the winter snow. You think you can push that gate?
What gate?
Our gate. So, and this would technically, and try to walk in this straight little line, but this would technically be the street. Hence, we don't have a street right now. But let's see. I'm sure that. Ew! Ah! Don't come right here. Oh my God, it was cold. You want to get it? You want to make a snow thingy, or you want to go in the back and do it? Or you want to do it right out here?
I'm gonna make a snow angel and then a snowman.
Okay, go ahead. And
Put these in your pocket.
what? What do you have? All right, now run in. Well, don't run. Walk. Yep. It's a butt angel. Hey, you go inside, you little one. Really? Well, there you have it. We were reporting live from NOLA for our winter storm. And I'm tired. It's been be careful. Close the door. Close the big door. That way I can come help you. Let me go.